सो हे गाइस, वेलकम टू कुकिंग विद साइशा यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड आज हम बनाने वाले हैं डिलीशियस मैक्सिकन हॉट चॉकलेट फॉर विंटर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर हाफ कप ऑफ होल मिल्क, 1 tablespoon of chocolate chip, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Instead of cocoa powder and your chocolate chip, you can use 1 tablespoon of Mexican chocolate, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of cardamom, which is elaichi powder, and a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of coffee, and chocolate for garnishing, which is fully optional. If you want to use, you can. If you don't, you don't. Well, let's start. So first of all, add half cup of whole milk, then 1 tablespoon of choco chips, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix it nicely, and then add a pinch of cardamom. I just add these seeds, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and half teaspoon of coffee powder. Mix it well for seconds. Then you can see how delicious it is looking. You can also make it with normal milk to make this thickness less. Okay. So yeah, I hope you like this winter special recipe. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, I want to tell you something. Please pray for Seoul, South Korea people. They are fighting between the life and death. Not all, but some peoples are. They were gone to Halloween party which was held without mask after 2 years of pandemic. Now there were celebrities, so they run in a thin road obviously, and they were injured and some were killed. 149 people were died, and please pray for rest of them. Bye. Take care and happy Halloween. Bye.